Welcome to lesson 2. In this one, we're going to be understanding price action and support and resistance levels. I'll explain this more, but just want to be upfront. This is not something you want to go out and trade right away. We're building a foundation and we're going to build off of everything. So don't get you could go paper trade if you want to just get your feet wet and start understanding how the markets move, but don't actively use this as a strategy. We're building your foundation. And by the time we get into the advanced trader course, that's when we start putting our real strategy together. And I'm going to teach you guys a way to trade. Price action refers to the movement of price in the chart over time. Understanding price action is crucial for the informed trading decisions. So if you want to be a more consistent trader, you want to be in tune with how price moves, and so you could get the probabilities of the way price is going to move, not the guarantee. Support and resistance levels are areas on the charts where price previously reversed or stalled. Now, we use these loosely. It's just an idea, but usually we like to seek liquidity at these locations rather than use them as an entry for a trade. Price can break through these levels, as I was saying, so you want to use them as a get ready level, not a trading level. What we like to use are Fibonacci levels. Those will give us a little better area of support, where if it is just a pullback, we're going to continue, or if it breaks through this area, most likely we're going to have to wait. People also use trend lines, moving averages, and we'll get deeper into all that later. So let's go into the charts and start understanding price action and support and resistance levels. Okay, so on here, we're on the daily chart. What would be a support level? Let's zoom out a little bit. Well, some traders would draw it up as this. That's support. I call it liquidity. Reason for that is, look, if people are trying to get in on sells, where did it give a person an area to sell at? Doesn't work. It's just an area. Okay. How is price going to act? Well, it broke through, retested that area. It did not want to continue lower. Then we could look for continuing up until a support is broken. Support's broken right there. Guess what? Came back, tested it. We keep going down. So these are areas of support and resistance. You'll also see people drawing them out in areas. So let's say this entire wick is our support area. Let me just snap it to the wick. Boom. So this area is our support area, some would call it. And guess what? If you drew this, well, had a little bit of resistance, came back, sold off again. Maybe you thought right here was support, turn resistance. Well, just grab liquidity, ran up. So use these areas lightly. I use them as an alert area to get ready. Something's going to happen. We don't know what's going to happen. So just identify these areas as a point of interest. And I'll show you how to refine these areas in the advanced course to get a better understanding of where support and price is. Usually it's an area, not a level. So for me, I want price to come in here and go away. That is my type of support and resistance, but that's later. Just want to get your feet wet and start thinking in the long run, where support and resistance is not to be traded alone. It's just a place to get alerted and get ready to put your system in place and get in on that trade. So I'll see you in the next lesson.